OK，而家現場報導，阿水嗱，而家嘅吉他咧就咁樣嘅，OK，咁我就擺咗呢個就 middle bass 喺度，呢個位咧我唔想擺佢太後，因為咧我個 bass 唔係咁嘅，即係我個 bass 有呢個 pickup 嘅，OK，咁而家咧就呢啲咧就有些少fine tuning 嘅，OK，因為我覺得佢啲位要整些少嘢，OK，咁俾你哋睇住先。嗱，依家就係話呢個位嗰個 pickup 咧，佢就話係Rickenbacker 嘅 bass 嘅，咁我要 check 一 check 佢先，因為嗰個時代嗰啲有可能成日都用啲吉他 pickup 嘅，可以用嗰個吉他 pickup 嘅，不過就應該即係我同佢 check 清楚先啦。如果唔係咧，我就換一個，我覺得 bass tone 比較好啲啊。而家俾你聽下啲聲，OK？咁而家我係用緊一個 bass amp 嘅，俾你睇我 bass amp，OK？呢個 bass amp 就呢個就係 bass amp 啦。我用緊呢個 bass amp 就都 OK 啊。呢個唔都我哋彈 band 嘅以前咁呢啲就可以 bass 可以教下添，可以加多啲 bass 啊。呢個係 low bass 啊，有 high mid 啦，呢個 low mid high mid 即係 treble。咁呢度都有俾你教嘅呢啲嘢嚇。咁而家暫時咧，我啲線咧就咁樣嘅，OK。咁而家咧就 order 咗啲嘢嚟整理嗰個 back plate，因為佢下低呢度咧，即係最低有塊 plate 喺下低㗎。咁plate 下低最尾嗰度咧，就因為有白線喺度嘅。我俾你繼續聽下呢個 bass，然後我一陣間俾你睇我個 bass。Sounds good to me，OK？你話幫我聽點咧？就係呢個 pickup 嚟㗎，OK？呢個 pickup。